In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dissolve edges in Blender without breaking the surface. This is a simple, essential technique for cleaning up topology while preserving the look of your model, and it only takes a moment once you know where to click. Start by working on the object you want to edit and go into edit mode. The quickest way is to press the tab key while the object is selected. You'll know you're in edit mode when you can see the mesh elements and select vertices, edges, or faces. If it helps, switch to edge select so you can target edges directly. You can do that with the edge select icon on the toolbar or by pressing the 2 key. Now, select the edges you want to dissolve. Click an edge to select it, or hold Shift and click to select multiple edges. If you need a whole loop, Alt-click an edge to grab the loop in one go. Take a moment to confirm you're only selecting the edges you intend to remove, especially around curved areas where certain edges control the surface flow. With your edges selected, press X or the Delete key. That opens Blender's Delete menu. From that menu, choose Dissolve Edges. This is the important part. Dissolve Edges tells Blender to remove the edges themselves, but keep the surrounding faces intact. You won't create holes, and the surface will remain continuous. It's a topology cleanup, not a destructive cut. You'll immediately see the edges disappear while the shading and overall shape stay the same. This is different from choosing Delete Edges, which would remove the edges and the faces they support, leaving gaps you'd need to rebuild. If you ever pick the wrong option by accident, just press Ctrl+E to undo and try again. A few quick tips as you use Dissolve. If the result looks odd, double check that you haven't dissolved an edge that was intentionally supporting a sharp crease or a specific curvature. Dissolving can create larger faces, sometimes n-gons, which are often fine for hard surface models or when you plan to continue retopology, but be mindful if you're preparing a mesh for subdivision. If nothing seems to happen, make sure you selected edges rather than faces or vertices, and confirm you're in edit mode on the correct object. That's all there is to it. Go into edit mode, select the edges you want to remove, press X or delete, and choose Dissolve Edges. It's a fast, clean way to simplify your mesh while keeping the surface exactly how you designed it.